Understanding a person's intentions and actions in Buddhism requires cultivating mindfulness and clarity. The Buddha taught that unwholesome behavior arises from three root causes: greed, hatred, and delusion. To recognize someone exhibiting these traits, one must practice mindful observation of their behavior, speech, and the subtle energy they project. This approach involves observing without judgment, allowing insight to develop naturally. Start by paying attention to the consistency of their actions. Buddhism teaches the concept of karma, which highlights that our actions reflect our internal state. Someone with harmful intentions may prioritize self-interest at the expense of others, engaging in deceit, manipulation, or exploitation. These behaviors can sometimes be subtle, appearing as attempts to create discord or erode trust. A mindful observer remains patient, letting time reveal the true motives behind a person's actions. Next, focus on their speech with careful attention. Words often reveal inner thoughts and emotions. An individual with malevolent intentions may use divisive or hurtful language to manipulate, deceive, or provoke conflict. They might excessively flatter to gain favor, spread falsehoods for personal gain, or create tension to undermine relationships. In Buddhism, right speech is a core ethical principle, so speech that causes harm should be approached with awareness. Consider both the intent behind their words and the emotional impact they have on others. Additionally, notice how their presence affects the environment and those around them. The Buddha taught that the company we keep influences our spiritual growth. Someone with negative tendencies often leaves a trail of conflict, unease, or negativity. While this does not make them inherently evil, their actions and intentions may conflict with wholesome values. Observe how others respond to their presence. Patterns of anxiety, mistrust, or distress can indicate an unwholesome influence. To apply this practice effectively, reflect on your own biases and emotional responses. The Buddha emphasized avoiding quick judgments, as our perceptions can be clouded by fear, attachment, or misunderstanding. Cultivate equanimity, a state of calm and balance, to ensure your observations are clear and unbiased. Approach the situation with compassion, recognizing that harmful behavior often stems from personal suffering and ignorance. This does not mean excusing such behavior, but understanding it with wisdom. Finally, trust your intuition, developed through meditation and mindfulness. A consistent practice of self-awareness sharpens your ability to detect subtle energies and intentions. Harmful intentions are not always obvious. They can appear masked by charm or kindness. By remaining grounded in the present moment and fostering a calm, clear mind, you can see through deception and discern the true nature of others. This method, rooted in mindfulness and ethical discernment, not only helps identify harmful influences, but also strengthens your own spiritual journey. It protects you from negative energies, while guiding you toward a life free from hatred and delusion. Thanks for being here. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content and unlock more wisdom with us.